Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about scenario manager. As you may understand from its name, so we are going to apply few scenarios in order to accumulate more money, get more profit. So here in this case, so I need to bring changes to the sale price and also the commission. So if the sales price increase, the commission will increase also. If the sales price decrease, the commission will decrease either. So first of all, I should name my ranges because it's very helpful. I come here to the formula and create from selection. Left column is okay and okay. And here now, so before that I have to select these two, and I come under the data, under the what if analysis and scenario manager. You can see here I can add scenario from here, add. So the first one, so I just want here to write here current, and here I don't want to bring any changes here. I just press OK and I leave it as default, and I want to press OK. So it's current. I want to add again. So here I write here decrease, and okay, here you can see, so I just change it to 85,000, so it will become 75,000. So when the price decrease, the commission will decrease as well. I just write formula here, equal sign 0.04 multiply by 1 minus like 50%. It will decrease 50%. 50%, close the bracket and add. Okay. So the third scenario, the sale price will increase. Okay. And here it's 85. I want to make it 95. And here the commission will also increase. And here I just write equal sign multiply 1 plus 30%, close the bracket. Okay, yes, okay. And you can see here when I select this one, so when I click here, I can see here the profit. So everything I just, when I click here, you can see if the price increase, so I lose the money. So I choose this one, decrease, show. In the price decrease, so I will lose a lot of money. So here I can see, when I click here summary, I create a new sheet for my scenarios. Okay, you can see here I have the current price, and also the profit is here. That when the sales price decrease, the profit also decrease. When the sales price increase, the profit also increase. So that's it about scenario manager. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.